Was it ranking with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you remember the ranking, the command for ranking.
We talked about
Do you remember the command? What is that?
did we talk much about
Do you remember the ranking formula? The function. Hope you can hear me clearly.
that?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Oh. Okay, so if you want to do rank this now, how do we do it? Equals what? Equals what?
That you highlight the data.
Okay, okay. Can you start again? Since I didn't hear what you said first. Equals what?
Okay.
Equals what?
Because that you highlight the data.
First, before you type the command.
Equal to rank. Okay.
Yes, you have to start
Rank.
with the command. Yes. Which is the more commonly used here? Is it this or this?
Yes, you
This.
talked about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So what next? Do you remember what we are supposed to do next?
You highlight the data you're supposed to.
Which is this one?
That's from 12,000.
Down.
12,000 down.
Okay. But look here, you can see you are being asked for two things here.
That's B5. Yes.
B5.
B5 down to 40.
Is that the, you know, there are two, you are being asked for two arguments here. Which is which? The first one, see, so you don't forget it, eh? The first one, you see, is very specific, says number. Is number singular or plural? Number, which is one. So you just click this first one, comma. Then reference is for the reference that you highlight the whole thing. And of course, it needs to be a really an absolute reference. Okay. And then you choose whether you want it to be ascending or descending. Then you drag. That's all. Now let's look at min-max transformation. In min-max transformation, the aim is to reduce the numbers, streamline the numbers so that they will range from 0 to 1. If you do a min-max transformation on these items, the lowest number will become 0 and the highest number will become 1. Which is the lowest number here? Which is the lowest number here?
100,000.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so the formula for min-max transformation goes like this.
Equal to
Equals
Mm.
the number minus minimum divided by maximum minus minimum. So the min-max of x, that's the formula. Okay. Does this make sense? So we need to know the minimum and maximum in order to calculate the min-max, do the min-max transformation. So for that reason, let me put minimum here and put maximum here. So let's compute our minimum. Minimum is equals mean of all these numbers. Sorry, I'm doing it on the, oh, sorry. I'm doing it on the ranks. Supposed to be here. Equals minimum of all these numbers. The maximum is equal to the max of all the numbers. You highlight all the numbers. Okay. So you can see this is the minimum number. This is the maximum number. So we are going to apply this formula now to get the min-max transformation. Okay. So you go to the first one, equals what? X. X is the number you are transforming. Of course, you have to begin with open bracket. You have to open the bracket. Equals X. X is this number which you want to transform. Minus what? Minus what?
minus the minimum,
Thank you.
which is 100.
100. So you can come click here. For this 100, yes, you can click on it here, but it has to be an absolute reference.
Absolute reference, okay.
Yes, it has to be an absolute reference.
Yes.
Divided by maximum. Maximum, which again must be an absolute reference. Minus what? Minus minimum, right?
Minimum, yes.
Close your brackets. So that's it.
Okay.
Why is that giving 0? It's not supposed to be 0. Is that the lowest number? That's not the lowest number. Something wrong somewhere. Okay, it's not 0, 0 point.
0.202.
Yes.
But that is the rule now. That's what I've been telling you for. It's even prohibited for them to send you to oil company.
Okay. So this one is actually 0, but it's not showing it because of the formatting. Because of the formatting. So let's go and check what's happening. But that's 0. This is 0. You can see there's nothing there. Simply just put a dash there. Why is it doing that? Let's check the, okay, it's on accounting format. Let's change the formatting. Maybe general. The formatting that made it not to show. Let's use general formats. So you see that the highest number is 1 and the lowest number is 0. I hope this is clear. Hope it's clear. Is it clear? This is an important topic.
Please, can you take it again, sir?
It's a very important, it's a very important topic. Okay. You want us to take it again?
Okay.
You want us to take it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me delete it. Okay. So we want to do a min-max transformation. Like I said, this is the formula. Let me enlarge that so you can see it very well. That's the formula we are using. Okay. And just know that the value result is always 0 to 1. In other words, the lowest number will become 0 and the highest number will become 1 after doing a min-max transformation. Okay. So if that doesn't happen, then you know there's something wrong somewhere. So we expect that when we are done, this 100 will be 0. And this 1 million something, this one will be 1. All the other numbers will be in between 0 and 1. Okay. So that's the essence of a min-max transformation.
Okay, sir.
Min-max transformation helps to reduce all the numbers so that they will all fall between 0 and 1, become small numbers
Between 0 and 1.
between 0 and 1. That's the essence of a min-max transformation. So how do we do it? We
Okay,
apply
sir.
this formula. Just say equals, you open your brackets, x here actually talks about the number you are transforming, which is, to begin it with, this first one.
The first
Number.
number.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You click on it, minus the minimum, which we have already calculated here. We have already calculated the minimum here. Oh, sorry. Said equals x minus, you click on the minimum here, okay, and you convert it to absolute reference. You close your brackets, divided by, open brackets, maximum minus minimum.
That's 1 million.
Yeah. But it's better, it's always better you use the reference instead of
1,000,000.
typing the number. You just click on it.
Oh.
Use the reference instead of
Okay.
typing 1 million. Just so sorry. It's always better. Again,
No problem.
this has to be an absolute reference minus what now? Minus minimum, right? This is maximum, which we picked from here. Maximum minus minimum. So minus, you click on the minimum. Again, you convert this to an absolute reference. If you don't convert it to the absolute reference, your answer will not be correct, like I illustrated the last class. The answer will not be, it will not be correct. It won't pick the numbers properly. It will be shifting these ones. So your answer will not be correct. So that's the formula.
Okay.
Important things like this, maybe you just be noting the formulas. Although this video, I'll send you this video, but you know, be noting the formulas. It's good you still have it. Just have it noted down so that you can actually go through it.
Yeah.
Just
or if we can have all the videos, it's better for us.
Yeah, but when you really want to, yeah, okay, I will. Like I said, this one is
So that on our own, we
yeah,
can work
on it. Okay,
on it.
no problem.
If we are having any challenges, we'll be able to ask
Yeah,
in maybe during the next
the
lecture.
next class. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, no problem. The one I sent you the link the other time, did you see it?
Yes, I saw it.
I will send this.
I saw the links.
Okay. Hope it was clear.
Okay.
I will send this one. Okay, so if you click on
Yes,
if you click press enter.
it's just to note the formula.
Yes, very important to know the formula. Okay. So what happened just now? What has happened again now? So this is actually 0, like I said. Okay. This is 0. It's not. It's not. For you to know, you can change it to general format or number, or whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Change it to number instead of accounting format. So that will show you the actual numbers. So we've done the min-max transformation, and now we can see that the lowest number is transformed to 0, while the highest number is transformed to 1. All the other numbers, what are their values? They are in between. All the other numbers are between 0 and 1. Hope that's clear. Hope it's
Yes,
clear.
sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay.
Where's the AC remote?
Now, there is another type of transformation called the decimally scaled transformation. Decimally scaled transformation. So we have decimally scaled. Why do we do this transformation? What's the purpose of transforming? To streamline the numbers. Okay? We want to make the more numbers to be streamlined, small, okay, small, with a small range. We don't want to compress the numbers.
For easier handling.
Yeah, for ease of analysis by
Okay.
certain models. Like, let me give you an instance now. Now, look at this one now. Look at these numbers. What is the, for you to understand what I'm saying, let's look at the range. What's the range of these numbers? What do you think the range will be? The range is equals
100.
this minus this, right? Okay,
Yes.
this is the range. Okay, now let's calculate the range of these
Better than
ones,
one.
these other ones.
How is wrong with
Let's calculate the range of this one. See. Why is the range of this one given 0? It's supposed to be 1. Because sorry, I've not gotten the range yet. This is minimum and maximum. So let's see the range of these other ones. Can you see the range here? It's just 1. Compare it to this one. It's the same numbers, these numbers. Okay? We are representing them with these small numbers. So see the difference. The range of these ones is 909. While the range of these ones is just 1. See the difference? So this transformation helps to compress the numbers so that they will not be too diverse or divergent. They will not be too spaced apart. They will be converged, smaller and closer and easier to compute with. Is it clear? Decimally scaled number will range from -1 to +1 or -1 to 1. While min-max range from 0 to 1, decimally scale range from -1 to 1.